Rockford has a unique sound that no one can replicate. There's something about it that is iconic. Back in the day, I couldn't afford a Honda, so I had a Geo with a full Rockford build, and I always dreamed, like, someday I'm gonna have a Honda, and I'm gonna have it this way. I started on the Civic 3 years ago. I went all the way to the far side of Utah to find this specific 2008 car, because it's blue, because it's the two-door, because it's an SI. It's the exact model car I want out of every Honda that they made. I'm an installer. I've done probably 2,000 different builds over my career. I want it to be a one-off every time. I obviously don't have a lot of room in a Honda Civic. Let's make the entire trunk look like a Rockford amp and then use the amps as part of the installation. I've seen every brand there is since '95, but for me, there was never a choice. It had to be Rockford.